Hello everybody, it is Alex here, once again, back with another video. So today, you're gonna be kidding me, but today, I'm gonna be drawing something not magnificent at all. I need to zoom out. This is not what I draw. This is how I legit draw. Nowadays, I think I can even draw. That's my cat behind me, don't mind her. Let's just say we never even saw her. Okay. Okay. Let's see. No brush. No. Into layer. Let me see. I don't know, like. Oh my god. Let me see here. How did I do this? This is just annoying. So I'm gonna be finishing on this. If you didn't know, I'm never a good artist, unlike Gabby and Angelina, for example. They can draw like an animal, any animal, and I'm just over here like yoop. Oh my lord. Okay. Oh my god, I need it. Okay. We're just gonna type something random. Like, OMG, this is so ugly. Next, we're gonna put next we could do this and wait, I wasn't saying good job. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Through 11. Only kids, please. Okay, everyone, this will be it for today. I can't draw whatsoever, so don't judge me, people of the USA and everywhere. Ages through 10 through 11. Only kids, please. Please watch this, kids. Kids only. But adults, if you want to watch this, please do. But if you're like, just don't hate. I need likes, please. I'm not like Gabby, who has like a 99 subscribers. I'm like Bye, y'all.